going on. This is a little quick one. End of a long 12-hour shoot day. Inspire 2 is hovering on top of me right now. It's gonna land the Inspire 2. I just want to show you how cool it is when the landing gear goes. Got my controller decked in Mighty Car Mods lanyard. Nice, beautiful RAV4. Gross. All right, let's land it. The landing gear. I'm not even gonna lie. Every time I land this drone, this is like a relief. Just because it's 25 grand. It's a lot of money in the sky. So this is the DJI Inspire 2. We're flying the ZenMuse X7. It's a Super 35 image sensor. Just had a 50mm lens on there with a 32 stop, or ND32, which is about 1 stop of ND. Weird, I don't know, 32, 1, not sure how that all works. Everyone has a different one depending on the manufacturer. But basically just shot some beautiful, beautiful golden hour shots. Golden hour shots of a really cool property for something I can't quite talk about yet. Maybe one day I'll talk about it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this dope landing because the Inspire 2, although it is 7 years old, still an incredible piece of tech. Yes, it has quirks. Yes, the video transmission is spotty. Yes, its battery life is subpar. But the image, incredible. So thank you for watching and see you on another video. Peace.